Hello friends, Jai Sri Swaminarayan. So today finally I got a chance to came to visit Sri Swaminarayan Akshardham temple, which is one of the largest Sri Swaminarayan temple in India, in Delhi. So I came here finally and I am feeling so awesome here because it was my first dream to visit Delhi Akshardham temple today, which I got a chance, and today I am going to filling my dream here today. So let's see, and bolo Sri Swaminarayan ki jai. Even I visit the birthplace of the Sri Swaminarayan, who was born as a Ghanshyam Pandey in Chapiya Dham, which is located in Gonda district nearby Ayodhya from 60 kilometers. So I was already there. And even in Gujarat, I also visited lots of Sri Swaminarayan temple in Akshardham temple like Ahmedabad, Sri Swaminarayan temple in Ahmedabad, and also in Nasik. I visited the Sri Swaminarayan temple, along with also I visited Sri Swaminarayan temple in Barodara. So this is the interest guest. Let's see. And I just came right now from the metro, and this is the view of from this side. I'm going towards the temple. So bolo Sri Swaminarayan ki jai. Jai Ghanshyam Pandey Maharaj. Jai Nilkant Varni. So I am feeling so excited here, and let's see and gain the knowledge and information about the Sri Swaminarayan temple Akshardham. So bolo Sri Swaminarayan ki jai. Jai Sri Swaminarayan.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare. Jai Sri Swaminarayan, Jai Sri Nilkant Varni, Jai Sri Ghanshyam Pandey. So this is the view of the Akshardham temple, which is clearly visible from the here, which here I am going towards the temple right now to explore. And this is my first experience in Delhi Akshardham temple, which is located only 500 meters away from the Akshardham metro station, which is a route of for the Dwarika 21 to electronic city of Noida. So Akshardham means the divine abode of the god, which is dedicated to Bhagwan Swaminarayan, who was a great sage of Hinduism. So the traditionally styled complex was inaugurated on the 6th November in 2005 with the blessing of H.H. Pramukh Swami Maharaj Ji. So the Akshardham Mandir has that exhibition show and even gardens with over 200 murtis representing many of spiritual artworks over the many millennia, along with the Vedic science of India, including the Tarsila University, the sages
Jai
of
Sri Swaminarayan. Finally, I reached to the Akshardham temple. It is an entry gate of the Akshardham temple, where I am going to see the like culture program in the Akshardham temple, which is always going to be held, and the temple timing is from 10 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. And inside the Akshardham temple, camera and any electrical device and mobile handset, cell phone, a smartphone and a smartwatch is not allowed inside the temple. So I am going without my mobile and cell phone, and even luggage is also not, and backpack is also not allowed inside this temple. So I am going without everything, and just I kept, and also it is good for me because I will enjoy lots inside the Akshardham temple, and I will give my all over time to Sri Swaminarayan Ji, and along with I will learn lots of the cultural things in this temple of Akshardham. So this is the view. I am feeling so excited here. So stay update me and get the lots of information and knowledge regarding the Akshardham temple from Delhi. Sri Swaminarayan ki jai. Jai Sri Swaminarayan. Jai Sri Nilkant Varni. Jai Sri Ghanshyam Pandey Maharaj Ji. Jai Sri Pramukh Dev Ji Maharaj. So I am going inside the temple. Thank you so much, and stay update me. Jai Sri Swami.
so inside the temple there is a view of the boating of 15-minute boarding shows of the Tarsila University, the great sages of the Tarsila University, and astronomer like Aryabhat, the Chanakya, the Charak, the Surusrut, founder of surgery, Patanjali, along with the so many sages of Brahmirs, Bhaskara 1, Bhaskara 2, and the Vedic science from the Taxila University. So I am feeling so awesome here, and the life journey of the Sri Nilkant Varni, who was born as a Ghanshyam Pandey in Chapiya Dham, the also and life journey of the Ghanshyam Pandey Nilkant Varni. So it is a very wonder moment for me, and the Akshardham Mandir, which has the exhibition shows, and then this temple which was Akshardham, which was constructed by the BAPS Sanstha, which is one of the organization of Gujarat, which is quite popular across the world. and this BAPS which is standard for the Bochasan Vasi Sri Akshar Purushottam Swami Narayan Sanstha BAPS, which is inspired by the H.S. Yogi Ji Maharaj and Shastri Ji. So the founder of BAPS, Shastri Ji Maharaj, built the first mandir in Bochasan in Gujarat, which is led to the organization to be the known as Bochasan Vasi. Mahant Swami Maharaj is the current leader of the BAPS, sixth spiritual successor of the Bhagwan Swami Narayan. So recently we know about that before the 2 years back, one of the most popular BAPS temple, which is also established in Abu Dhabi, which is a capital
Swami
of
Narayan. To finally I reached to the Akshardham temple inside the complex. So this is the view of the complex of the Akshardham temple, where from next I cannot carry my any electrical device, mobile device, and my bag and my bag. So I am going to keep everything in the clock room along with my mobile and bag. So Bolo Sri Swami Narayan ki Jai. So this is a view of Akshardham temple. I am feeling so awesome here inside this Akshardham temple, which is dedicated to Sri Swami Narayan. So Bolo Sri Swami Narayan ki Jai. Jai Sri Swami Narayan. So this is the view, and let's stay updated with me and get the lots of information and regarding the Akshardham temple from here. So let's see, this is the view. In my back side we can see Akshardham temple, the main which is visible from the here. Let's see, this is the view of Akshardham temple. So stay updated with me and get the lots of information regarding the Akshardham temple. Thank you so much. जय श्री स्वामी नारायण, जय श्री लक्ष्मी नारायण, जय श्री घनश्याम पांडे महाराज, जय श्री नीलकंठ वर्णी.
And so many BAPS temples are built in USA, Australia, France, Germany, and in other countries also, in Africa also, along with so many places in Akshardham in Ahmedabad, Akshardham temple in Gandhinagar, and so many BAPS Sri Swaminarayan temple in Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Madhya Pradesh. So Bolo Sri Swaminarayan ki Jai. And right now I am inside the temple, and this is the view of the Akshardham temple, because from this way the tourists and visitors and devotees are not allowed inside this temple because of the we can say about that Swami Narayan, also known as Sahajanand Swami Vaji Yogi and ascetic, believed by followers to be manifestation of Krishna or highest manifestation of Purushottams, around whom the Swami Narayan Sampradaya developed. So in 1800 he was initiated into the Uddham Sampradaya by his Guru Swami Ramanand. So Swami Narayan was born in 1781 in Chapia, a village near Ayodhya, then under the Nawab of Awadh. So Swami Narayan was named as Ghanshyam Pandey by his parents Hari Prasad Pandey and Bhakti Mata Premavati Pandey. So the birth anniversary of Swami Narayan coincide with the festival of Sri Ram Navami, celebrating the birth anniversary of Lord Sri Ram. So after the death of his parents, Ghanshyam Pandey left his home and adopted the name of Nilkant Barni. So Nilkant Barni, who traveled across India and parts of the Nepal in search of ashrams or heritage. Nilkant Barni traveled Kedarnath, Badrinath, Haridwar, Kailash, Mansarovar in Tibet region, Muktinath and Kathmandu in Nepal, and Assam, Bengal, Puri Jagannath Temple, Rameswaram, Sri Rangam, Kanyakumari, and Padmanath Swami temples in Kerala, and Pandharpur and Nasik in Maharashtra, and last he spent his time in Gujarat near Somnath and Dwarika in lodge, where he met with the Muktanand Swami, a senior disciple of Ramanand Swami. So this is the whole journey of Sri Swaminarayan. So Bolo Sri Swaminarayan ki Jai, Jai Sri Swaminarayan. So I am feeling so awesome here, and this is the view of the Sri Akshardham temple, which is clearly visible from the here metro station. So Bolo Sri Swaminarayan ki Jai, and this is my very good.
Jai Sri Swami Narayan. So today my dream has been completed, and finally I reached to the Akshardham temple, which is one of the most beautiful temple in Delhi and largest temple where I came to visit the Sri Swami Narayan Akshardham temple. So let's see the view of Akshardham temple. I am just in front of the Akshardham temple where I am going to seek the place of Sri Swami Narayan in this Akshardham temple. So it is a very great moment for me, and I am feeling so awesome here today because of the it's my dream. I always to come and visit this Akshardham temple. Even I was also in Gujarat, so I visit lots of Bab Sri Swaminarayan temple in Gujarat, like Ahmedabad, Baroda Bab Sri Swaminarayan, Nasik Bab Sri Swaminarayan temple in Maharashtra. And so I am going to visit Akshardham temple, so let's see and gain the knowledge and information about the Akshardham temple. Thank you so much.